Hey loves, if you're new, my name is C. If you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to make my first attempt at doing a bubble ponytail. Now, this is something different. I've done ponytails, but I've never done a bubble ponytail. So hopefully it turned out good. Hopefully it turned out well enough to please me at the end of the day. But I will be using this braiding hair to attempt this look. Now I've been researching and looking at different videos, so I found a video that made it kind of easy and nice for me. I'm going to be doing a side part. I love side part. I love middle parts as well, but I think I want to do a side part. It's something different, something kind of a little sexy. But yeah, let's get into this video. The list of everything I'll be using will be in the description box below, so definitely go check that out. This makeup look will also be in the description box below. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this hair video out first or this makeup look. Either way, definitely check the description box below for all details. So let's get into it. So I do want to say that I did silk press my hair the night before. So right now I'm just trying to decide which way I want my part. I wanted to try to do my parting where it goes towards the right, but I just reverted back to the side I love the most, which is my left side. It's probably going to look different in this video because of the way my camera is, but my swoop is to the left. And I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She fat up and said it went with your prongs. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and L at the shit that's together. Won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back at the scene tenant. We gonna get straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I'm gonna take the shit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, jumping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starring in the Matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the baby. And the bricks came white like shady. Drive the Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white boys, no radical. Keep you a fight, don't let them take it. If they get charged, you gotta get straight. I cut you up, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got the rap when you see me. And back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a three-piece. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me. Straightening, yeah. Straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. So here I'm just sectioning off my sides because I'm going to focus on the back first and then start merging the front and the swoop into the ponytail. So now taking my red tail comb, I'm using the Eco Professional Styling Gel, the olive oil one, and I'm using that to help mold my hair. So I'm using the comb and then I'm letting the bristles just brush the product through my hair. This technique worked for me. I know some people use the Got2b, which I ran out of, so I had to revert to just using this gel, but it works for me. It exceeded my expectations, so this is what I'm using. So now that I feel like I'm satisfied with the back, I'm starting to work on my sides. And I do this in sections. It just made the process a little more easier and to, maintain and move around my hair into the desired style. The next clip, when I'm doing my swoop, I work that in sections as well. Again, I just thought that was just a better way to do it. And I did speed up that process just because it is repetitive. So you can just see like I'm pretty much doing the same thing. So I did speed that clip up.
Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say it like I don't buy it with the say it like he said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. Then that's a beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, back till you see it from the back till you see it from. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from from the back.
Bring that ass overdose, you bring it back, back, back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Cause you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, sometimes you won't. You told me don't. With no dish, you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That that's beauty.
So now I'm taking my wrap strips to help continue to mold my hair. I did off camera use my blow dryer to help the drying process be a little faster because I was pressed for time.
In the right, he keep it running like it pop. He need her up beneath the thighs. He that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that pump. That that's beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back. Back till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm kinda De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on.
So this next step here is allowing me to decide how long I want the bubble ponytail to be. So I'm taking half of the hair and I'm going to use an elastic ponytail holder to secure it.
Then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back at the scene tinted. We gonna get straightening. Yeah. Straightening. Yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
You don't get shit straight up, you don't straighten it. No. I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, jumping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starring in the Matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. And the bricks came white like shady. Drive the Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys.
So here I'm taking a portion of the braid hair and I'm going to use this to wrap around the base of the ponytail just to hide the elastic band and just to make everything look real seamless.
I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me.
Straightening. Yeah. Straightening. Yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
If you could see it from the front, you tell you so you in the cat, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, told you where you at, huh? Wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up?
So now we're starting to make the bubbles on the ponytail. Now it was kind of helpful that my hair was in a bun, so it kind of helped that first bubble kind of be secure. So that's what I did love about that. So you're gonna see me take some elastic rubber bands to create the bubbles in the ponytail, which were super easy. Again, this didn't take long. It probably seemed long because it's just in video form, but honestly, this hairstyle, this is definitely like a 10-minute hairstyle, 15 at the longest. So this is definitely something you can do every day. This is a perfect protective style. You can jazz it up and make it sexy, make it elegant, make it chill. Like this is a pretty look. I do want to add, as you're doing the next bubble, that's when you start to fluff out that one and the one before. And you want to keep doing this as you're going down the ponytail to get it to your desired fluff. As you can see right here, I'm just starting to fluff it out, and then I start fluffing out the first one just to create that perfect pretty bubble look. I try to make them as even as possible.
He need that, need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running like it pump. He need that, need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, till you see it back, yeah. Back, till you see it from the back. Back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can.
So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. I try to do more of a talk through and let the video go at its own pace instead of speeding up so many clips. But it turned out perfectly, guys. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.